Well, good morning. It's another day here in Matagorda. Got here a little early, so it's kind of dark still. So it's actually been 5 days since the last time I was here, which would have been the last video. And I'm gonna see if the redfish are still here. The water looks the same. It's pretty low, and I got some live shrimp and piggy perch, and I'm gonna see what happens. And we got the first fish. Not a big one. Yeah. Damn, little baby. And here we go. It's gotta be a trout. Yeah. And that was a redfish. Flashing a lot on top. Come on here, buddy. Jesus. God, come on. There we go. A little bit bigger. I think my drag is just loose. Doesn't really feel that big. Come on, buddy. Almost done. Man, they sure are swallowing it. Something little. Something little. Nope. Yep. Little drum. These are little bait stealers. You stink too. Jesus. Freaking out. You just stop? Uh-oh. Here we go. Finally. This is a surprise. Oh my goodness. Finally. Startled me. I mean, he's not a keeper, but okay. Little baby. did my pliers go? I got something. See what it is. I think it might be a trout. Oh, it's probably another redfish. Yeah. Okay, that ain't working. There. It's heavy. Ooh. No. This is gonna be fun. I lost my pliers in the water. Oh, he's on top. We got that. The red. Just gonna let him tire it out. Come on, you done? Oh, come on, buddy. Quit flipping that way. Alright, well, that's it. I made it to my truck. The paddle back end sucked. I had to push through the mud a lot. And the fishing, well, as you can tell, it wasn't as good as last time. I think a lot of it had to do with most of my bait. The live shrimp was dead. They just died real quick. I don't know why. And second of all, the north wind was blowing, so I was casting into the wind, and the bait would float towards the middle, and that's where all the ladyfish were at, and they would tear it up. So it was an okay day. I still enjoyed it, and hopefully next time do a little bit better.